here you can see a G350 Generation 2. The Generation 2 is our high-end line of our universal machines. As you see here on the screen, we have 4 different sizes. We have the 150, the 350, 550 and 750. And on the 3, 5 and 750 we have also the opportunity to configure the machine as a mill turn machine. So we have milling and turning combined in one machine. Our main concept in our construction of the machine, our design is that we have the horizontal spindle. So this is our typical characteristic of the machine. We have both round axes in the workpiece. So as you see now, this is the B axis is rotating and moving. We have the Z axis and the X axis, so both horizontal axis in the tool, and we have the vertical axis, our Y axis in the workpiece. Also typical is, as you see, that we never go with the spindle out of the slides from the Z axis, so we have not a kind of box-in-box system or something like that. We always are fixed with 6 roller shoes on the Z axis, and so this gives us the opportunity of the machine or from the machine that we have on nearly all positions the same stability, and we can machine in the same or with the same conditions different parts, different sizes with different tools and different tool lengths. And also our tunnel concept, the Z axis can go away and can go out with a long tool out of the work area. This gives us the opportunity that the workpiece side, what we can machine with a long tool, is not dependent on the length of the tool. So this is it's perfect for die and mold customers when they have to make holes through the part with a deep hole drill, for example.